Good day. Welcome to Sopheon's online webinar series. Thank you for joining us. I'm Mike Frischel, VP of Global Marketing at Sopheon. Today's session is titled, Are You Capturing the Value of Your Innovation? This webinar will review the position of value and pricing management dimensions within the innovation process and show how companies can include pricing and value management in the innovation process to optimize the return on investment. Topics covered during today's webinar include the place of pricing in the overall innovation process, how to integrate and manage pricing and value management in the stage gate process, how to apply the basics of economic value estimation, or EVE, for new products, and how to screen product and service opportunity using differential economic value. Our presenter today is Stephan Liozu. Stephan is the founder of Value Interruption Advisors. He specializes in disruptive approaches in strategy, innovation, pricing, and value management. With over 20 years of global experience, Stephan specializes in crafting and designing unique innovation and business strategies leading to differentiated business models. Just as an aside, I met Stephan at a conference a couple of months ago and heard him do this type of presentation, and it was really interesting, great content, and a topic that doesn't get talked about as much as it should, I believe. And so I approached Stephan, and he graciously agreed to do this webinar for our audience. So Stephan, thank you. It's great to have you with us to do this webinar, and I'll turn the session over to you.
Okay. Well, thanks very much. Good afternoon, everybody. Good morning for some of you on the West Coast, and pleasure to be here today. And there's never been a better time to discuss value and to pay attention to value management. So I hope you can take some nuggets of information today about the link between innovation, value, and pricing, and go back to your organization and really start asking questions about, are we really paying attention to value? And obviously, I'm going to state the obvious, but the last 5 years have been quite challenging for everyone. The business dynamics have changed. I do believe we went through a structural break and a changing economy that will never be the same again, where growth was coming on its own and opportunities were presenting themselves. Right now, there is definitely a game-changing environment where you need to pay a lot more attention to your business model. You need to challenge your value proposition and really focus on USPs or UVPs, unique selling propositions or unique value propositions for not only your products or services, but also your overall offering, your systems, your solutions. So I can tell you that in my view, and as a practitioner and also as a former CEO, it is time to pay attention to innovation, no doubt. And also there's been some changes because shareholders and top leaders expect a higher ROI for innovation investments. Thus, I'm linking this topic to the power of pricing and how do you capture the value of your innovation, because you have to really pay attention to the return in terms of value creation and value capture. So there's never been a better time to energize your core business, to create superior level of differentiation, and to boost your competitive advantage. Now, it's easier said than done. How do you do this? It's definitely your skills as innovators, and then you have to really pay attention to how are you going to capture these in the market. So I'm challenging most of the time when I speak to C-suite executives or top leaders, I'm really challenging their thinking and ask them to put themselves in retro thinking mode around the business model and around a very, very critical, crisp value proposition of the business model. So those are definitely things that are happening right now, and you may maybe disagree to some certain extent if you're in an industry that's booming right now. But I can tell you, generally speaking, all companies are suffering with increased competition, with changing customer expectations, and with value propositions that are being challenged day in, day out. So why is differentiation so important then?